Here's the problem that we run into with a lot of e-commerce solutions where you have to work with different data structures. 22ndmake.com solves part 3, custom JSON structures. I film these videos as they come up in my day-to-day operations. Make sure to save and follow if you want more tips on Make. And in this case, we're working with Core. They have a ton of record types with subarrays where you can link records. We don't have all the native modules inside of Make. We go into Core, want to create a product. That native module is not present, but we have this Make an API call. To run this, we need to put a JSON body in here. You can either try and do that by hand, where I try to account for different arrays and different structures in here. For example, if I'm doing an order, I need a dynamic number of products that I'm putting in there. And that's just cool to do. What we can do is actually create our own JSON structure. And to do that, we have created a JSON module here, and you can click add. If you're lucky enough, the API docs have an example body to create a product. You can copy that out of here, click generate, and paste that in there. As long as it's a valid JSON structure, it'll create exactly what you put in there with all the subarrays and collections. And by doing that, we have our JSON body, and it's going to have all the different arrays in here. In this case, array of collections, which are just difficult to replicate by hand, so that you can dynamically map in here different number of bills of service, material products, suppliers, etc., with those same structures. And now you can just map that JSON string in there and you're done. But that's an easy way to use existing documentation to go create these record types. If you want more advice on tips on how to implement Make and AI into your daily automations, be sure to follow.